In northern Indiana, an analyst confirmed they did not find any DNA of the suspect at that crime scene in the Delphi murders trial. Richard Allen is accused of killing teenagers Abby Williams and Libby German back in 2017. And in court Monday, the Indiana State Police DNA analyst took the stand. Emily Longnecker from our sister station in Indianapolis has more.
Major Pat Cicero testified he believes Abby Williams died in the same spot where she was attacked, saying there was no blood on her hands, something he said he'd never seen before, calling it, quote, very unusual. Cicero said Libby German was likely attacked close by, but at one point was, quote, moving and basically walking in blood. Cicero told the jury he believes Libby bled to death a short distance away from where she was first attacked, based on the large amount of blood in one spot. Cicero said Libby was later dragged a short distance close to a large tree, perhaps to try and make it harder to spot her body. Cicero also testified he believed Libby left a bloody handprint shaped like an upside-down L on one of the trees. His testimony and photos from the crime scene led to several jurors looking away. When Cicero testified that markings near Libby's eyes were consistent with tears, Libby's grandmother put her head in her hands and wept. Cicero told the jury it's possible one person killed the girls, but on cross-examination said he couldn't rule out that more people were involved. The state's DNA expert, Stacey Bozanovsky, told the jury she tested clothing from Abby and Libby found at the murder scene, skin cells from under their fingernails, and the blood from the crime scene. She testified she also tested several items from Richard Allen's home, like his blue Carhartt jacket, carpet from his car, knives, and the unspent cartridge found between the girls' bodies. Her conclusion, quote, Richard Allen's DNA was not found anywhere at the crime scene, including on the cartridge that the prosecutor claims came from one of Allen's guns. And Abby and Libby's DNA was not found on any of the items taken from Allen's home after investigators served a search warrant. On cross-examination, the defense asked Bozanovsky about hair from the crime scene, some the lab held onto to possibly test at a later date. Bozanovsky said the decision was made to not test them at this time. Defense attorney Jennifer O.J. said, quote, but this is the time Richard Allen is now on trial.